Situation along the LAC is slightly tense. Keeping in view of the situation, we had undertaken some precautionary deployments for our own safety and security, and these deployments we undertook along the LAC so that our security and integrity remain safeguarded.
So what are the preparedness to deal with the situation with China in coming days?
Well, as you know, for the last 2-3 months the situation has been a little tense, but we have continuously been engaging with China both at the military and the diplomatic level. These engagements are ongoing and will continue in the future also, and we are very sure that through this medium of talks, whatever differences we have will be resolved, and we will ensure that the status quo is not changed and we are able to safeguard our interests.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you very much.
So if you don't mind, can I take picture? No?
नाज़रीन, आर्मी चीफ एमएम नरवाने ने हिंद चीन सरहद का दौरा किया। सरहद पर तमाम तर इंतजामात का जायजा लिया गया, सिक्योरिटी सूरत हाल और हिफाजती इंतजामात का जायजा लिया गया। चौसल के करीब ही चीनी फौज को